Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back at the Technical Forum here at the group exhibit Hydrogen, Fuel Cells and Batteries. This year in 2015 here at the Hannover Fairground. We are exhibiting here with 25 different countries with 150 exhibitors, and at this time I would not only like to invite all the audience to come and have a drink served by the lovely lady walking around. I would also like to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our online guests. We are live streaming from the fair and we have over 1,000 viewers right now watching our technical presentation. That's why I'm even more excited to present to you the next topic. We'll discuss a new refilling method on how to refill small hydrogen mobility. And for that, please welcome with me on stage the CEO of CTS Energy and the sales manager of CTS Energy, Roberto Cremonese and Gianluca Colercio. Big hands, please.
Hello.
Hello.
So we are here for present our a different concept of refilling for the small mobility, hydrogen refilling. Usually the refilling system are with the metal hydrides that we use in the small mobility, but everybody knows the problem and the limit that the metal hydride have. The other way is the high pressure. But the high pressure, the problem is where I can go to refill my bicycle or my small mini car, maybe the mini car that go inside the center historic of a city. The automotive market is preparing the infrastructure with refilling station in high pressure. So they have two ways for refill the high pressure car cylinder. They have to store at 600, 700, 800 bar the hydrogen and then transfer the hydrogen inside the tank of the bus of the car, of the bicycle, in a short time. Or they need a booster. They start from 200 or 300 bar. With the booster they refill the car, but they need a high flow rate booster because they want to refill in 2 or 3 minutes. This one makes the station, the refilling station, very expensive and very, not dangerous, but needs all the apparatus for the control and the safety. And I think it's difficult to think that a refilling station can be built in the center of the city or in the natural park or in a golf center. So what we are proposing? We are proposing a different way to recharge your small mobility car or bicycle. It's to replace the tank, don't refill the tank. Why we proposing to refill the tank? Because we build in our factory, we build an ultralight cylinder, high pressure. So this one is very light, very easy to manage. And we propose a dispenser. You see, when your car is running, you finish your target. We propose a dispenser with this kind of cylinder inside, and slowly during the day from the renewable energy, powering the electrolyzer inside, he refills slowly the cylinder. This is all the refilling station. So when you arrive there with your small car or your bicycle, you push the button, you put inside your empty cylinder, you keep the new one, you put it in your small car, in your bicycle, and you start and you go. Throughout application, of course, you have to pay for changing the cylinder, the refilling. It's not free. Maybe it will be free in the future, but so you can pay 2 or 3 euro for the gas that are inside the cylinder. You recharge the cylinder with a fast connection, safety fast connection in your car, in your small mobility. In 2 minutes, you make all the operation, and then you can start again and go on. So that's the new, but not new, but it's a different conception of refilling this mobility, the small mobility vehicles. Now Gianluca Colucci will explain you the technical data sheet of this kind of cylinder.
Thank you, Roberto. As Roberto told you, our main business for CTS is the production of ultralight composite cylinder. Are now ready and approved for hydrogen, for containing hydrogen. CTS is already one of the main leader company in the breathing air composite cylinder for firefighter application, and now ready to enter and give the benefit of the ultralight weight to hydrogen mobile systems. The main feature of this cylinder first is a PET liner, so it's a thermoplastic liner wrapped by carbon fiber, that is the load carrying of the pressure of the cylinder and the stress of the cylinder, and the patented and innovative design for the connection between the liner and the thread valve, and the thread connection of the valve. Of course, one of the main benefits of this cylinder is the really big lightweight. This is the lightest cylinder you can find in the world market. This is a 2-liter 300 bar cylinder with a weight of 0.9 kilogram.
With 0.9 kilogram, we have 600 liter of hydrogen inside.
The second is the durability performance of this cylinder. According to EN 12245, that is our standard approval for Europe, this is a non-limited lifetime cylinder. So usually in the composite market, the lifetime is maximum for composite 15 or 30 years life. This is the only unlimited life cylinder according to the great technical performance in durability. And the opportunity to change, as I told you, for the patented connection, the thread if needed, and external protection. So this kind of product is also, of course, in the hydrogen market, can be a revolutionary product for the lightweight that can offer to the end user.
So this is our proposal for the small mobility. We just sell some bicycle, for example. We have to make a small car for golf club in South America, in Caribbean area. And we are proposing this kind of solution. So in the center, with the PV panel, we refill the cylinder. And when you have to refill your car, you change the cylinder.
The range of the cylinder we produce are from 2-liter to 9-liter 300 bar cylinder. And, so please come to visit us and I show you our range of products.
We are in the booth D59.
D59.
It's down here, and we have a pleasure to invite you there and have all the information you need.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you also from my side. Are there any questions from the audience at this time? Well, I do have a question. So I see that it's a new way. It's a different way. It's sort of smart, right? You instead of replacing the whole thing, you instead of refill, you say just replace it. Now, that's more handy. What about the cost? Is that more cost efficient?
Like everything is new, so everything is just a little bit expensive between a normal kind of cylinder. But if you can think of the contests, the refilling station is cheaper than a standard refilling station. The cylinder costs more, but has a no limit life. It's safety. The weight is very light, so if the cylinder fall down, don't hurt nobody. This one is the cost is depend. The cost can be cheap or can be expensive. Depend on what way you want to see it. For us, it's cheap.
Yeah, and then you also with the whole thing, you can remove it and maybe use it for something different, right?
Yeah.
Different ways to use it.
Yeah. One of the great things is that is unlimited life, but also you can change the interchangeable part, so that the thread, so you can last also the life. This is a real non-limited life cylinder.
So is it already ready for the market?
Yeah, it's
So-
already
Yes.
approved.
All right. Thank you very much for this interesting presentation, and thank you for bringing the product. I always love it when there's something on the stage. So once again, thank you very much. And for more information, and let me it is light proof. Yeah, even I can hold
You
it.
can change your tank on your house as well.
Okay, with my hydrogen. Once I have a car, I'll do that. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Visit them at booth number B59, CTS Energy. Thank you very much. Upcoming talk will be about methanol fuel cells. We will talk about the past, present, and the future of Synergy's methanol fuel cells. And for that, we'll hear the CEO, Anders Korsgaard, in just a few minutes' time. Thank you.